Our new video is here. Thanks for being here. Keep watching.
But the other folks already got it going on some e-commerce website. The creativity on e-commerce website has been exploding as it seems people finding talent they didn't know they have to be the best or in plumbing pipe design. You got to be not just a handyman but also artistic to beat the competition, and some creations are totally cool, cute and amusing, and some are actually very artisty and designer pipe like. You can find a really artistic pipe that make a great decor statement, or you can find a fun object that will spark the conversation, whichever you desire. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being here. Our today's video is about some awesome plumbing pipe furniture design ideas and do it by yourself some ideas with you people. There is something magical about the furniture design made with plumbing pipe and other home decor items and plumbing fitting that make them unexpectedly attractive. It may be the perfect geometrical shape, the structural look, or the rustic appeal. Try to make all of these from PVC pipe. They won't look anywhere cool. People make vases, table, chairs, and even bed out of plumbing pipe, but we think it's lame. The best plumbing pipe home design ideas we have found are in decorative furniture such as small shelves, lighting fixture, and other smaller decor pieces. You may be the only thinking about do it by yourself ideas, some plumbing pipes or in the bathroom like my ultra popular do it by yourself industrial pipe shelf in the living room, entryway, and even in the laundry room. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much of choose from, and they fit a new decor style, industrial, rustic, and electric. We have picked some design that we find the best suitable to decorate with for your inspiration. Industrial style in timeless thing. You may go for such interior anytime, for at least add such touch to your interior, making them look more edgy. How to add industrial touch to the space? I had offer exposed pipe in decor are great ideas. However you use them, pipe are the great material for various furniture projects because they can be used to create all kind of things. You may also create decor of them and buy some ready pipes. First of all, we have to discuss about plumbing furniture. Designers use them for making rail table chairs and bed legs, for lamp and bookshelf and many other things. You can make something yourself if you are a die-hard fan of do it by yourself. This can be a pipe racks, shelving unit, and other storage item for various spaces of your home. To personalize your furniture and make it more matching, you can paint it as you like. A beautiful industrial decks of aqua colored pipe, flag, and light stained wood desk is a pretty idea for a modern home office and a touch of color. I don't know who started the do it by yourself pipe decor trend for home decor, but I salute you. Our lift a plumber wrench to you or something. I love the hint of modern style industrial pipe projects and add too many home. Honestly, it's hard to think for a style that wouldn't benefit from at least a touch of this modern vibe. Plus, these projects seem to work in particularly can any room in your home, so your options are seemingly endless. I have been